Who is killing black people? A hard look at the numbers. When Charlie Kirk was alive, he was slandered as a racist for saying uncomfortable truths. Yet the numbers show he never robbed a black man, never shot a black teenager on a street corner, never pulled the trigger in a gang feud. So if not him, or men like him, then who is responsible for the high victimization of black Americans? The answer lies in the statistics no one in the media wants to discuss. Arrests and racial breakdown. According to the FBI's 2024 reports, total arrests by race were as follows. Whites, 3,927,500. Blacks, 1,724,000. Hispanics, 1,023,000. At first glance, it seems whites are arrested more often. But keep in mind that whites make up over 60% of the U.S. population, while blacks are only about 13%. The raw totals mask the proportional reality. Violent crime arrests. Whites 196,000, blacks 130,400, Hispanics 70,600. Property crime arrests, whites 414,500, blacks 191,000, Hispanics 94,000. Per capita, black Americans are arrested at far higher rates for serious crimes than their white counterparts. This does not mean every black person is a criminal, but it does mean crime is disproportionately concentrated in specific communities. Victimization patterns. The Bureau of Justice Statistics tells us that, on average, whites, blacks, and Hispanics face similar risks of being victims of violent crime. But firearm homicides reveal a sobering divide. Black Americans are 12 times more likely to die by firearm homicide than white Americans. And here is the crucial detail. Most of these homicides are committed by other black individuals, not by police, not by white supremacists, and not by right-wing activists. The danger is overwhelmingly local and internal. The media narrative versus reality. Mainstream outlets paint America as a battlefield where white racists hunt down minorities, yet the numbers demolish that fantasy. If the media truly cared about black lives, they would highlight the uncomfortable truth. Most black homicide victims are killed by other black men. The silence on this fact is not compassion. It is cowardice. Charlie Kirk never killed a black man. But gangs in Chicago, Baltimore, Detroit, and St. Louis kill black teenagers every weekend. Progressive policies that protect criminals, defund police, and excuse fatherlessness fuel this bloodshed. Who profits? Politicians and NGOs who get rich off grants and programs while neighborhoods collapse. Root causes. 1. Family breakdown. Over 70% of black children are born outside marriage. Without stable fathers, boys are more likely to join gangs and end up in prison or in the grave. 2. Urban policy failure. Cities run by Democrats for decades, Chicago, New York, Los Angeles, spend billions on social programs, yet remain crime-ridden. Corrupt NGOs siphon money while mothers bury their sons. 3. Cultural denial. Progressives prefer to blame systemic racism rather than address personal responsibility. But a broken culture produces broken outcomes. Conclusion. Who is killing black people? The numbers answer plainly. Overwhelmingly, it is other black individuals. That is not racism, it is reality. And ignoring reality guarantees that more children will die. Charlie Kirk did not pull the trigger. The problem is not conservative activists or white America. The problem lies within failed urban policies, family collapse, and the refusal to confront crime where it actually happens. If black lives matter, then the truth must matter too. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to support this channel.